Power your adventures with the Lensun Hood Mounted Solar Panel Kit. Installation is a breeze. Clean your hood, apply the vinyl decal with soapy water, align and secure the panel using adhesive strips, connect the wiring, and test it out. No drilling needed. This sleek hood-mounted solar panel charges your vehicle battery, power station, or essential gear during daylight hours. No engine required. Say goodbye to dead batteries and hello to uninterrupted energy while camping or off the grid. Monitor performance with the Lensun app for real-time updates. Once installed, the solar panel powers essentials like GPS, lights, and mobile devices. Perfect for camping, remote expeditions, or even disaster relief. With its space-saving design, energy independence, and eco-friendly benefits, the Lensun Hood Mounted Solar Panel Kit is your ultimate adventure upgrade. Save space, stay powered, and go green with Lensun Solar. Ready to upgrade your adventures?